Hallo zusammen, ich heiße Abhishek and today we learn the Prepositionen mit Accusative. Preposition with Accusative. So what is preposition? So prepositions are used as a union between noun, verb, adjective with another noun, verb and adjective. So that is preposition. It is used as a union and the accusative is our case. So those preposition which takes accusative. So these are the 6 preposition which always takes in accusative case, which always comes in accusative case, which always demands accusative case. So the first one is de or durch. Durch means through or by means of. Durch, through by means of. Ohne, without. Gegen, against. Für, for. Around. Bis, until. Dog food. Dog food. You can memorize it as like as dog food. So the D means durch. Durch means through or by means of. Zum Beispiel, for example, wir fahren durch den Fluss. So this is our preposition. It is used as a union between this subject or a noun and then verb with another noun. So durch, we drive through the river. Fluss is river. And because it is accusative preposition, the object must be in accusative case. So the Fluss is der Fluss. Der Fluss. And in accusative, der changes to den. That's why wir fahren durch den Fluss. We drive through the river. Sen geteilt durch 5 ist gleich 2. Means 10 geteilt. Geteilt is our verb, that is teilen. Teilen. Teilen means divide. So, and this is a participle zwei. This is P2 of teilen, geteilt. So 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is gleich equal to 2. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Sen geteilt durch 5 gleich 2. So 10 geteilt durch 5 ist gleich 2. The other one is ohne. Ohne means without. Without. Ich kann ohne this nicht leben. So ich kann. I cannot live without you. Leben is a verb that means to live. Kann is our modal verb. Können. To can. Können, can. So is can. Ohne is our preposition. Ohne is our preposition. That is accusative preposition. So in case of accusative preposition, it takes the accusative pronoun. That is this. Miss this. This. I cannot live without you. Ich kann ohne this nicht leben. Third one is gegen. Gegen. Gegen is against. Against. Fährt gegen den Baum. Fährt. Fährt is the verb is our fahren. So fahren means to drive. To drive. Baum. Baum is tree. So he drive against the tree. So if this is accusative preposition, so the object must be in accusative case. So the article of Baum is der Baum, and in accusative case there changes to den. So fährt gegen den Baum. He drives against the tree. Other one is F. Für. Für means for or of. So das Geschenk. Geschenk is gift. Das Geschenk ist für den Mann. The gift is for the man. So für is our accusative preposition. That's why this is accusative objects. So man is der Mann. In accusative there changes to den. Das Geschenk ist für den Mann. The gift is for the man. Das ist für mich, that is for me. Is around or at. Sie geht den Bahnhof. Bahnhof is railway station or the station. So that is their Bahnhof. So there changes to den, and is around. She goes around the railway station. Sie geht den Bahnhof. Ich stehe 9 Uhr. Like ich stehe 9 Uhr auf. So I wake up at 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock. So around or at. The last one is be. That is bis. Bis means until. Bisbal. Bisbal is see you soon. Or bis nächsten Sonntag. Until next Sunday. So the Sonntag, Tag. The article of Tag is der Tag. So der Sonntag. So there changes to then. That's why nächsten. Bis nächsten Sonntag. Until next Sunday. Vielen Dank.